Hi all, Stephanie Swafford, rapidbodymindclarity.com. Let's touch on inspiration. Inspiration. Drawing in breath, drawing in spirit, in spiritus. Now, there are times, obviously, when we can be touched by the divine. There's inspiration. Inspiration is also that spark of creativity that we can have in a moment. Ah, I get it, yes. Both concepts, both possibilities still come down to inspiration, drawing in breath. So it might be connection with the divine. It might be that aha moment that just, oh, there it is, yes. The common thread is breathing. Breathing, which we all have access to. We can regulate it, we can speed it up, we can slow it down. And what if we all become a little more conscious about inspiration when we draw in that breath? What's the possibility in this moment? What am I open to? What am I ready for? How am I about to be touched by spirit, by the divine, by breath? Seems like a win-win to me. And it's a great way to bring ourselves back to the present, center ourselves, and allow ourselves to be with the task, the moment, the breath at hand. So, for all of us, here's to our inspirations. How does this speak to you? What does this remind you of? Do you let yourself be inspired in a mindful way? Share with us, teach us. I'm at rapidbodymindclarity.com. Wander over and let's connect, shall we? Thanks much. Until next time, cheers.